If you climb, you know the feeling, rope tight, wall steep, sea booming below. Friends in High Places 2 is Will Rupp's A4 landscape climbing photo book, packed with that energy from the UK and further afield. Printed as a 112-page perfect bound book on 150 GSM silk, it's built for big images, from bold sea cliffs lead to long winter ridges and remote islands. Some spreads carry subtle contour graphics and route lines guiding you across the rock without stealing focus from the shots. The A4 landscape format creates huge double-page panoramas where cliffs like Mirror Wall or the Mourns stretch right across the gutter. Silk paper keeps every crack, cam and grain of rock sharp. We printed a 350 GSM silk cover with matte lamination and trimmed, collated and perfect bound for a clean, durable finish. If you're planning your own climbing or adventure photo book, we can help with format choices, spine sizes and quotes at xyz.com.